Hello guys, I'm Quang. I'm from Vietnam, and today I want to talk to you about my English journey. So I will start 100 day of speaking English challenge. So yeah, I think that English is a really important language in the world. So I think I will improve it by speaking in front of the camera until I can be fluent in this language. So I can see a lot of my friends who can speak English without struggling. They can create a word really fast and correctly. Yeah, so I want to be them. I want to be like them. So start the video to say to the world that I will start 100 day of speaking English challenge. Yeah, it's not really hard, but it's not really easy. Just keep consistency and discipline. Mm, in the past, I'm not really a hardworking person. I'm kind of lazy. I'm kind of like a gamer. I played game a lot in the past, but now it's gone. I give up. I give up every bad habit and I start to learning right away. So this is my first video. I hope all you guys support me, give me some comments in below, and yeah, it's a really huge uh, inspire inspiration for me. So thanks all you guys. This is a day one, and tomorrow I'm gonna uh, publish another video in the day two. So yeah, bye.